Frank's going to the vet today.
It's just a checkup. She's my genuine pet, and once a year she gets a snooty boop checkup. But the annoying thing is usually she's in one of her hams here. She's hiding in a box, which is the worst place to get her out of. Look at this, Frank. Come on, don't give me that look. You knew this was in our calendar for a long time, Frank. If you're wondering about how you even transport a snake, it's called a snake bag, a pillowcase works, and then a tub. So the bag is actually containing the long idiot. You're a long idiot, Frank. Just deal with it. Because honestly, a tub like this, she could easily break out of. She could pop these out, poof, and she's gone. So the bag holds her and contains her, but then this is like a car seat. It gives her something to push against so she can get secure. You can't just put him in a cage. You want darkness, quietness. And so a pillowcase, but I do recommend these proper reptile bags. It's all wrinkled because I washed it. Frank, I've interrupted your sanctuary. We're going to the vet, Frank. I told you we've had this in the books for a long time. All right, here we go. No, don't resist. Don't resist. Come on, Frankie. Come on, that's it. All right, yay. And there we are. The Franklin is contained. Yeah, see, you wrap the end like this because you'll be blown away what she can push herself through. And there you go. She's just going to get settled in her box. It's only got one clip because, this isn't securing her, so I don't need air holes. It's all good. And then we cut to the vet.
Is she friendly?
Oh yeah, I handle her constantly, all the time.
Spoiled brat.
Isn't she ever?
Which is what we like to see here. Hey darling, where's your head? I didn't realise your head was coming out there.
I mean, she's gonna climb straight up you.
Yeah,
because she's incredibly handled. Oh jeez, Frank.
She knows who Dad is.
Yes, Frank. No.
Come here.
This is my exam, really, because that's I do get anxious because it's like this is my responsibility. If she's not healthy, it's me.
What we always tell people as well, like most of the medical issues we see in them are secondary to husbandry, and like you said, it's your exam. If there's an issue,
yeah, absolutely. Like I'm more anxious than she is.
And you didn't have any concerns, did you?
No, I mean sometimes she sleeps funny, where she jams her head on things. It looks like her jaw's all messed up. But that's just her being a dingus.
And then usually they just yawn and their jaw kind of lines back. The other bit they hate.
What's this?
Checking their mouth. It's nice and healthy in there. I'm not concerned with anything with her. Good body conditions for you, right? If anything, she's probably slightly on the chunkier side. How often are you feeding her?
Every 6 weeks, and she's an uptown girl, so she only eats quails. She won't eat rats. Yeah. Although she had a guinea pig, which I don't understand because they're basically the same thing.
Yes.
But yeah, she won't touch rats. She didn't eat for 8 months once to tell me that. And as soon as I gave her a quail, she had it.
She's a rat bag. But she's great, Nick. Her eyes are nice and open and clear. Nostrils are nice and clear. I can't feel any lumps or bumps in or on her body.
I've always wondered these...
The creases.
Yeah, is that chunky creases?
Yeah, often it's just from the way they sit and they just get little folds there.
Oh, okay, but that's not a thing to be worried about.
No, like in her case, sometimes they are things worth getting checked. In her case, I'm not too concerned about those.
Sorry, Frank. The chunkiness way in. Oh, she's lost weight.
Right, so that's good then. If we've got a little bit of weight off of her, that's good. If she was... So 4.01, which is pretty much what she is now. 4.3 was 2019, so that's good.
Frank, you passed. You can come out now. Frank, you can come out now. Oh, what? We like the bag now? What? We don't want this palace anymore? A bag in a box is good enough. Yay! Frank passed. She's all good. But the vet said that you're still a little bit chunky. Just a little bit, but he wasn't worried. The vet said the enclosure's perfect, her temperatures are perfect, the humidity's perfect, the feeding schedule's perfect. I am so relieved. Look at those pupils, you're excited. What a day you've had, Frank. Uh-oh, here she comes. Here comes Frank. Oh no, everyone get... Oh no, she's done. I've never seen a look of such purpose. But there you go. That's what it takes to get Frankie the chunky, only a little bit chunky, right, to the vet and back. And she got a pass. Frank's going back to bed. She's having none of this. I mean, that's where I found her, right? She's like, man, forget this. I'm out of here. That's it, Frank. The hole's over here. No, not that one. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yay. That's it. Almost there. That's it. Nearly. Oh, come on, Frank. You're so lazy. That's it. Get in there. Get in there. Oh. No, we're done. We're done, are we, Frank? Is that it? Is that a finished job for you, Frank? Well, that face says it all, really. Right.